What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of GoPro Diaries. Where are we today? Well, we are in Amsterdam. Now the only thing is that we're only going to be in Amsterdam for about 16 hours, as the flight is at 8 AM tomorrow morning and it's currently about 4 PM right now. But we are going to make the best of this short trip in Amsterdam. We have been here for a very short time and I'm already loving this. I'll definitely be coming back.
Loves that bar.
But for a longer time. I don't love that bar, I'm nothing against gay people, but I'm not going to that bar. We're at the Dam Square, I think it's called, and I think that we're going to go in one of these. Either that or them. Definitely no, that's too boring. He's crying.
I won't cry, mate. I would have been crying. I'm a big boy.
Oh my god! Mama, love you!
P.O.P. on the down.
R.I.P.
I'm legally blind and I cannot see. Oh, this boy's bad.
Oh.
This guy's camera.
He's got the G7X in it. Woo!
Mama, love you.
Oh fuck! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
I love you. Oh shit.
Oh my god!
6, 6, 6, 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 2, 2, 1.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! Oh my fuck! Oh fuck!
3, 2, 2, 1.
What the heck? Oh shit! Oh my god! Yes, bro, high five! Oh my god! That was so good! That was insane! Oh! Oh, that was so good! Yes!
Is he just going outside doing
Oh, that was absolutely class. Jacob's got the Mavic up in Amsterdam. I read up on the rules and it's illegal. So yeah, a plane just flew over us. It's not that high above. So hopefully you've not made it crash.
We are lawbreakers. That's what we do.
Low battery, drone incoming, police probably incoming. The very short trip to Amsterdam has finished. Now in the airport. The flight isn't till 8 AM and it's only like 12 right now. So we've got quite a long wait.
There's a mic. There's a mic.
There's a mouse. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like, comment and subscribe. I'm out. I feel so bad now. I feel really bad.